Welcome to this new section. This is the sixth part where we are discussing 10 questions in each part related to piping engineering, which are generally asked in interviews. So, let us see what are all these 10 questions which we are going to cover in this section. What is flange? Why flanges are required? What are various kinds of flanges available? Which ASME standard are generally used for flanges? What are slip-on flanges? Slip-on flanges, how slip-on flanges are joined with pipe, and small comparison between slip-on flange and weld-neck flange. Comparison between slip-on flange with respect to fatigue and strength. Okay, this will be compared with weld-neck flange with respect to strength and fatigue. Typical arrangement of slip-on flange. Actual graphical 3D pictures will be shown. Then what are the various disadvantages of using slip-on flanges? Based on these, we can decide where we can use slip-on flanges and why, what are the limitations. Okay, all those questions will be answered. So this is going to be very informative section. So see you in the answer section. Playlist is a very good tool which is provided by YouTube for all the YouTube channels. On this platform of oil and gas fundas, we have so many playlists with us just to organize the content in a systematic manner. Many playlists are created. For example, the consolidated list where all the videos available on this channel are there. Then many topics we covered: pump piping, compressor piping, pipe rack piping. All those topics in we discussed in length. All those small short videos, long video, everything we have created in a playlist form. So you can always look into the playlist and check out how many topics, what kind of topics we have covered. Then we discussed the 2-minute funda series. 150 plus videos are there. So all are consolidated in the form of that playlist. Many codes and standard API, ASME clauses we discussed. All are organized in a systematic manner in the form of playlists. Then recently we completed our piping certification course details. That is also covered in the form of playlist. It is available on this channel. Then other self-improvement topics, for example, how to write a covering letter, how to write an email. Many videos are there on those topics. So those are also uh, consolidated in the form of playlists. Now this is a new series where we are going to discuss interview questions related to piping engineering. We are going to cover 10 questions per video. Again, there will be a playlist available on this channel. You can always go through that to go into content. So this is a very good tool organized in a systematic manner. Don't miss. Many more videos will be there, and those all will be consolidated in the form of playlists. So this is again a very good tool. Don't miss. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.